Hello everyone, welcome to Navami Ayurveda. This is Dr. Bhavna. Today, I am here to speak about menstrual hygiene. As Wash United initiated May 28th as Global Menstrual Hygiene Day. Menstruation is one of the most important physiological change occurring in the girls during their adolescent years. It is not only having the personal importance but also social significance. Menstrual hygiene is a hygiene practice that is followed during the menstruation that makes the women to prevent many reproductive and urinary tract infections. In India, menstruation and menstrual hygiene are still surrounded by lot of social restrictions and misconception, making the girls of adolescent age to lack the knowledge of scientific fact and hygienic healthy practice, which can lead to the adverse effect on the health. The various issues like burning sensation and irritation of the skin around the area where the sanitary napkins or the tampons are used, urinary tract infection, vaginal infection, so on. These are the issues we can find when the unhygienic menstrual practice are followed. So what are the proper hygiene practice which has to be followed during the menstruation, and also food habits which help us keep active and hydrated during our menstruation. So coming for the proper menstrual hygiene practice, first of all, changing the sanitary napkins regularly around 4 to 6 hours can help prevent the burning sensation and irritation of the skin. Secondly, avoid using soaps and other cleansing products around the vaginal area. Thirdly, wash yourself properly. That is, most of us wash regularly but not properly. Washing with your hands in the motion of upward to downward direction, that is from vagina to anus, is the correct way of washing, not vice versa. And the next is disposal of the sanitary napkins. Disposal of the sanitary napkins is still one of the biggest question, but the way we can follow is properly wrapping the napkins before disposing them, washing the hands properly after disposing. Using the biodegradable, compostable pads is one of the best method which can make us easy for the disposal, either by deep buried or pit burying in rural areas and central incineration in urban areas. So one of the other method or the better method we can find menstruation time is using the menstrual cup. Menstrual cup is reusable menstrual hygiene device which is inserted into the vagina, which can collect the menstrual blood. Menstrual cup is said to be safe if used properly, and it can also prevent the many adverse effects, and it is alternative to sanitary napkins. Menstrual cup can hold good amount of blood than the other method, leading many women to use it, making eco-friendly and alternative to sanitary napkins. Other than this hygiene practice, what are the food habits we need to follow during the menstruation so that we can stay hydrated and active? Firstly, drink lot of water. Drinking lot of water keep us hydrated. Eating fruits which is water rich like watermelon, cucumber will make us stay hydrated. Eating lots of leafy green vegetables is also said to be healthy. Avoid milk products or dairy products which can cause period cramps or bloating or sometimes diarrhea. So, I have made up my mind to have a eco-friendly menstruation. Women's out there, are you willing to? If so, let us all go with the alternative to sanitary napkins, that is the menstrual cup. So unless and until we try, we do not know its advantage. So I am willing to try it. Are you? Thank you for watching this video. If you find it informative, like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates regarding health. Thank you.